We got some pretty active weather headed for the state of Montana over the next couple of days here. Plenty of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The blue, that's a winter weather advisory. In the purple, that's a winter storm warning. That's mainly for heavy snow, up to maybe even more than a foot in the mountains. And in the red, that is a blizzard warning, which is heavy snow with lots of blowing and drifting and expected visibilities of near zero, especially as you're traveling towards the Continental Divide. And the reason for that is because we do have high winds, so a high wind warning independent of that. That's for Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Gusts of 60 to 80 miles per hour along the Rocky Mountain front. But let's talk about the winter weather first. Right now, just a little bit of light mountain snow moving through, mainly in western Montana, and that's really what we expect through the night tonight. It's not until we head into the day on Tuesday where we start to see our more significant snow start to move in, and that lasts through the day Tuesday and into Tuesday night before kind of clearing out as we head through the day on Wednesday. So western Montana obviously getting hit hardest with that, and it's going to be mainly in the mountains, and even some of our mountains that are a little farther off to the east, like the Little Belts, could get a couple inches. But this big mass of purple, that's where snow totals could be a half a foot to potentially even more than a foot in spots. We'll kind of zoom in on the divide right now. On the northern divide, that is, some local spots of over a foot, definitely not out of the question. Most of our more populated areas not seeing a ton of snow, but again, we are going to see blowing and drifting with those strong gusts, so still probably close to whiteout conditions and especially difficult travel as you're headed over Marias Pass. That's going to be really, really tricky, especially Tuesday evening and into early Wednesday. Again, that's because of those wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour immediately along the front, but plenty of places seeing 40, even 50 mile per hour wind gusts on Tuesday that remain through Tuesday night and into Wednesday, and even by Wednesday afternoon. Still some pretty strong gusts affecting our weather over the next couple of days. So the good news from that, those Chinook winds are going to keep us pretty mild. 28 in Great Falls tonight, 25 in Lewistown. Tomorrow's high temperatures mainly in the 40s all across the state, a little bit cooler up towards Glasgow, but windy, mild, and winter weather, kind of our forecast headlines again. Going to be very difficult travel as you're headed towards Marias Pass and along the Continental Divide. Thanks for watching.